The whole point of buying this one, I think, is this mode. So here we go. Dignity down the drain. Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
Are you sure?
What?
I don't recognize you.
Oh yeah.
Not Addie?
Popeye is eating peanut butter out of his favorite toy. Amelia just bedded down for a quick little nap. We're the RC Sailors. Welcome to our RC family. I've got a really fun drone to share with you. Now, I had these big elaborate plans today to go out with GPS drones. I have a cool airplane I want to show you. I've got some tinkering to do with. And today ended up just being a mind-blown, over-the-top crazy day with Amelia. The vlog for this will be out like 9 months from now. So if you're interested in that, our vlog channel is linked in the description box below, like all of our videos, but it's a little inactive right now. We have some catching up to do. Today though, we have a little micro drone instead of the cool stuff I had planned, but I have a feeling that this is going to be pretty cool too. Probably one of the coolest small $20 drones that I have right now. This should be a lot like that Helifar H803 drone, where we have different flight modes. We can toss it and it should start to fly. We can shake it and the motors will start and we can just let it fly like that. And it also comes with a dedicated transmitter. Very cool for under $20, right under $20. I guarantee as soon as we release our video, as long as this thing flies, the price is gonna shoot up. So if this is good, get your clickers ready. Thumbs on your phone, click on the computer, because you're going to want to snatch this up for that price point. It's got a crazy name. It's either the TQQIW or the TAA or the T99. I have no idea. I can't tell what they're trying to get at there. I've never heard of this brand before, but that doesn't matter. If this is good, we'll tell you. If it's bad, we'll tell you. Let's take a closer look and see what comes in the box very quickly. Then we're going to fly this and have some fun. Here's the drone itself. It all comes in this nice little box. Very cool. Good looking little drone. I like the spaceship kind of theme. It reminds me of something from StarCraft. On the bottom we can see the sensor. It's got just the one on the bottom, but we should be able to control it from all sides with that one sensor. And then there's our battery connector. No camera, no fancy bells and whistles, just lights and the sensor. This should be a lot of fun. It comes with a 300 milliamp 3.7 volt single cell LiPo battery ready to fly, with a USB charge cable, short cord, but at least it has one, so I'm not going to give them a hard time about that. 2 spare props, one clockwise, one counterclockwise, in case you lose one or break one, which is fairly unlikely to break one, protected in these little prop ducts here. They're pretty protected, and that's very forgiving plastic. And then here's our transmitter. Both of the joysticks or gimbals are spring-loaded, so that tells us that it has altitude hold. And that's really all we need to know. The instructions do a great job at telling us what buttons do what and how to fly it. They're actually pretty good instructions. I'm kind of impressed. I read through them. The front half is English, the back half is not. Let's fly. If I look like I'm 2 hours older, it's because I am. In between showing you the close...
I think your beard is already growing back.
It has. I can feel it. In between the close shots and this shot, she woke up. And I had to turn off all the lights and... Okay, let's fly the drone. Popeye's gonna wake her up. So
yep, we just got her down and...
Better be worth it.
Thanks a lot, Popeye.
Okay, what I did, I plugged the battery in, the lights were blinking, and it just wants to calibrate. So it needed to sit level for about 3 seconds to calibrate. Now, we're gonna let Popeye fly it. You ready, buddy? You ready for this? We're just gonna do... The whole point of buying this one, I think, is this mode. So here we go. Dignity down the drain. Okay, so that's working. Let's do a toss to fly. I think the green light is the front. Here we go. Oh, it fell off the couch. Okay, so the toss to fly and the shake to fly are working. Now can we control the drone? Yes, we can. This...
Try the wall.
Working. Okay, yeah, let's see if it will do collision detection with the wall.
It hit it, but
it did fly back. So let's try this stuff over here. Does it not have? Let's see. Let's get this to go back up. Be good, buddy. See if we can get it in all directions. But first, I'm just going to do this. Definitely want to see if it'll avoid the wall. This one goes down better than the other one. If it doesn't have any controls, I don't know if this one works as good as the Helifar. It definitely has all direction controls. Very good hover, and after a few seconds, it does go down. Does it go back? Oh, there. It's trying to avoid stuff.
Oh, jeez.
I got caught under the table. It's doing a pretty good job, though. Pretty happy with this so far. What should we do? Test the transmitter now? I think we should, because the hands-free control is pretty good. Can we just turn the transmitter on and it work? Yeah, it bound. So the lights are solid now. So can we still... It'll start, but it stopped. I hear the motors.
That's crazy.
It doesn't, when the transmitter's on, no toss to start.
But the Helifar, it still worked, right? When the transmitter was on?
Yes, but I should be able to hit this button. Or maybe hold it. And it turns, I think, this mode off. Nope. Huh? No, that's headless mode, I believe. Okay. Now to calibrate the drone, you don't have to do this every flight, but I'm going to. Both sticks down and to the right. Is it down and out to start the motors? Maybe it's just, okay, throttle up. And then I know there's an auto takeoff button, or you can just give it throttle, but we're gonna hit auto takeoff. We'll just hit it now. Pretty good. Let's see how, okay, now you remember the Helifar H803? I couldn't get it to descend. This one is flying, and it's a nice, low, slow rate. I like this a lot. This feels really good for indoor flying. And then my descend works really well. So the transmitter flying on this drone is really good. Really good. Let's see if we can do a flip, because it has a flip button. Really good flip. Very good. You couldn't ask for a better flip. Very nice. Very nice. Let's see if we can get rates. Now that should be... I'm going to hit a few things here. There we go. It would be what yaw trim would be if it had yaw trim. So now we're at a higher rate. Let's see if we have a third one. We do. So 3 rates. Still not super snappy, but this is definitely a beginner-friendly, kid-friendly drone. Back down to rate 1. I don't notice a huge difference, but this is designed to be an indoor flyer. And the transmitter's working great. I'm going to do auto land. And I'll tell you what I really like with these drones. Turn the transmitter off. Let's just see if it goes back to hands-free mode. I hope so, because that would mean we wouldn't have to reset anything. Oh yeah, great. That's really nice. You gonna fly it, Papa? You fly it, buddy. Go ahead. Oh, okay, nice. Good pass. I'll fly it back to, okay. There, it detected the wall and
way
the couch.
better that time.
So it seems to be doing a pretty good job now. This is not one that you'd want to fly outside, but just check that out. I mean, that's amazing.
I love that these drones are coming with that feature now.
Me
so
too.
Cool.
Me too. Watch, it's going to slowly drift over to the wall. And when it sees it, it should come back. Now our good buddy and patron, Jan Whitley, said she bought 4 of these. The Helifar H803 actually. And she flew them together, and she said they do detect and avoid each other. So I'm kind of excited to fly. If we can get another one of these or a different brand or something, we'll fly them all together for you guys and see if they, it'd be just so much fun. Chaotic but fun video. Let's see if it can detect this glass stuff. And there it goes. Yep. One of the best indoor drones money can buy. Now, the difference between this one and the Helifar H803, I just love that I'm talking to you guys, I'm not even flying this thing. The Helifar H803 does have 2 batteries, but we've seen its price fluctuate from about $25 to, believe it or not, about $45. And that was due to supply and demand. Shortly after we released our video, like within a day, the price shot up to $45. Do I agree with those business methods? Not one bit. But that's just how the world works, unfortunately. This one is currently $20 at the time of flying this drone right now. This is amazing. The
Let me
flight
try.
time is good too. Okay.
I'm so excited to fly this because it really, really, really tests my skills as a drone pilot. Oh, look how
You're such a good
I am.
pilot.
Nathan, did you not save me enough battery?
It's going. It's just doing its little auto land thing. It's waiting for you to fly it.
Get it, Popeye!
Papa, you can fly it. That's the Popeye flown drone.
Oh, and a point in
There.
the tree!
Nice.
Did you get that?
Yeah. These are fun drones because seriously anybody can fly it. And then if you kind of get brave, you can turn on the transmitter and oops. There we go. And try your luck at flying with the transmitter. Very easy to fly little drone.
It's so fun.
Just as good as the Helifar H803.
And I get it again! Get it again! Go!
I think just as easy to fly as the Helifar H803. It performs just as well.
The battery's definitely getting low.
Yeah.
Oh.
It may perform even better than the H803, but you're just
Yeah, it's
lacking...
blinking.
Okay, low battery for sure.
Yeah.
You're just lacking the extra battery.
Yeah.
Truly a no-brainer. So much fun. If you can have this much fun for $20, I mean, I'm thinking about what is $20? What things in the world are $20? Fast food? You know, even $20 doesn't go super far these days. It doesn't even fill up your gas tank. But $20 for possibly hundreds of flights with something like this is just amazing. And you could get multiple, you know, versions. You get the H803, you can get this one, you can kind of compare them. They're different colors. There is a white
Fly
and
them
a
at the
black.
same time.
Fly them at the same time, yes. Flying with your friends. They're funny, they're comical. You can chase them around the room. It's kind of amazing that it works, because it really does work. And then if you're a dedicated, you know, drone flyer and you already know how to use a transmitter, boom, nice little transmitter. 3 AAA batteries, not included by the way, to fly that. You can turn it, this one I liked because I could shake to start, get it in the air. While the battery was plugged in, I could turn the transmitter on and then it bound. And then I didn't have to, you know, unplug the battery to get it to go from transmitter mode to non-transmitter mode. I really like that. Shake to start or toss to fly. So much fun. It works. Anyone can fly it. I don't care if you're the world's best race drone pilot, you're going to have fun with this because it's just different. And for 20 bucks, that's so cool. Guys, we'll have a link in the description box below. You definitely want to pick one of these up for yourself. I hope, I don't know why this company will spike their prices. I get it, they're trying to make an extra buck. It's not cool, but they do that sometimes. We always try to keep our eyes out for the best price for you. When they do that, as a matter of fact, we caught it. Put another link down there for you. So we're always looking out for the best price for this stuff. This is a good drone. So we'll be keeping an eye out for you guys. Best price on it. Grab one of these while you can. And I just want to mention one quick thing too. A few videos ago, I told you guys I had a few things I listed on eBay, like 4 or 5 things, not a ton of stuff, just things that have been on our channel or you know, RC things that I've played around with. I've got a few more things listed, and the first things that were there have like a day or 2 left on them. So we'll have our eBay store linked in the description box below if you want to check it out. No big deal, just the opportunity is there. Maybe you can save a few bucks on something in the hobby that you've had your eye on. So a few things down there in the eBay store, but this is a must-have for your collection. Grab one of these up, 20 bucks. Best 20 bucks you could spend probably. I mean, it's just for a ready to fly unit. Amazing. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye!